Tommy Shelby is mostly known for his stone-cold confidence and extreme calmness under stressful situations. In this video, we will look at how Tommy Shelby does this and how you can replicate some of these. So let's begin. Eye contact. One of the key aspects of Tommy Shelby's confidence is his powerful eye contact. Maintaining eye contact during a conversation can convey a sense of self-assuredness. Remember, it's about balance. Don't overdo it. Gaze directly into the eyes of the person you are speaking with, ensuring you come across as confident and engaged. Graceful movements. Have you ever noticed Tommy's deliberate slow movements? Confident individuals often display precise and unhurried actions. This cultivates an image of thoughtfulness and consideration, suggesting that each movement is calculated and intentional. Take a cue from Tommy Shelby and embrace a more graceful and composed demeanor. The state of breaking questions. A unique move in Tommy Shelby's playbook. This method helps him assert dominance and shift the conversation, but a word of caution. Use this method wisely. Employ it to show your presence and control without veering into threatening territory, which could derail the conversation. Art of thoughtful speech. Tommy's distinct way of talking, slow, deliberate, and purposeful, speaks volumes about his confidence and power. Tommy avoids unnecessary chatter and gets straight to the point, leaving a lasting impact on his audience.
Tell me, which brand of rebel are you, eh? I read somewhere that you Paddies started fighting amongst yourselves now.
Calm in chaos. Perhaps one of Tommy's most striking attributes is his unwavering calmness in extreme circumstances. This trait wasn't developed overnight. It came through exposure to war, death, and adversity. But with practice, you can cultivate a similar composure. Keeping your cool not only aids rational thinking but also unsettles your opponents, making them believe you are in control. So there you have it, a closer look at the confidence-building techniques of Tommy Shelby. Remember, confidence isn't about being fearless, it's about managing your reactions and projecting control. By integrating elements like steady eye contact, thoughtful speech, and deliberate movements, you can begin your journey toward exuding the same confidence and poise that Tommy Shelby embodies. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you up in the next video.